The circular saw was a significant invention that revolutionized the woodworking industry. Prior to its invention, lumber was primarily cut using the pit saw, which required two people to operate and was very time-consuming. The circular saw, on the other hand, was able to cut wood much more quickly and efficiently, with only one operator needed. The circular saw had a significant impact on the woodworking industry, as it allowed for more accurate cuts, faster production, and the ability to produce wood products on a larger scale. This led to increased availability of wood products and lower costs, making wood more accessible for construction and manufacturing. To improve the circular saw, several areas of focus have emerged. One area is increasing its precision and accuracy, which can be achieved through the use of advanced technology, such as laser guides or computer-aided cutting. Another area of focus is reducing the noise and vibration generated by the saw, which can improve operator comfort and reduce the risk of injury. Overall, the continued development and improvement of circular saws has the potential to further increase efficiency and productivity in the woodworking industry, while minimizing operator fatigue and reducing the risk of injury.